Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody's doing great. Happy Tuesday morning. It's time for another live trading session, ladies and gentlemen. So, welcome back for the existing follower. Welcome if you're brand new here. Welcome, welcome. First of all, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate notification because as you see, I'm late, and I rarely go on at the exact same time, guys. So, you definitely want to make sure you activate notification. And third things, not six things, third thing, make sure to smash a goddamn like button as you're coming in, guys. All right. So let's get going here. Let's see the chat. How's everybody doing? Chris, good morning. Sensei, good morning, bud. What's up, fellas? OS. OS. Okay. Bonjour, Sacha. Bonjour, Farid. J'espère que ça va bien. Good morning, Sasha. Good morning, Peter. Bilal, good morning. How are you? Bilal, that did catch the dogtail setup yesterday. So congrats on that. We're gonna discuss that today because I received I don't know what the fuck happened, but you guys bombarded me with questions about that. So we'll go over that for sure. Guys, we need 100% like ratio. Okay, so make sure you fucking smash the like button as you're coming in. All right. So all right, enough talking, more trading. Yes, sir. Let's go. Okay. Actually, whoops, wrong screen. Yeah, no, that's good. Perfect. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, is this sound good? I changed my mic setting. I don't know if that make a change because I realized at the beginning of the session the it had some funky noise on the mic before the music gets started. But anyways, so hopefully it's good. Okay, let's get started, guys. Okay, so first of all, let's go through our alerts. That was yesterday. Oh yeah, fuck Euro USD. Um, did a paper trade on that, and that sucks. Well, we'll discuss it, but all right. So AUD USD. Did I just update that one? I think I did. Um, so let's go. All right, so AUD USD looking pretty good. So if you look into weekly time frame, we are clearly bearish. Okay. Actually, let me remove this. ADUSD, we're doing it now. So can I move this to my other screen? No, I can't, but whatever. Okay. Sorry, guys. Talking to myself here. Okay, cool. So we got the weekly bearish, as you can see from long time ago, like Krish, to say since August 2022, so almost 2 years, which is crazy. Now, if you look at daily, the daily did just flip bearish last week. Okay, so which is good. So we got the daily bearish now. We got the pullback inside that daily golden zone, which is also retesting this structure, but we kind of broke it. So this zone is now invalid. Sorry, guys. So this zone is now invalid. So that was the daily area of interest number one. And the number two is right here. So if you see here, we have many touches here. So here is our second area of interest. You see here, support, 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 resistance. I'm sure we've got another support, another resistance here. So very valid. Perfect. Is that also in sync with a major QP? Let's verify. The major QP is right above here. Okay, cool. All right, so that's good. It would be definitely better when this steady close bearish engulfing. That would be amazing. Now let's go down to the 4 hour. What's going on with the like button, guys? What's up? Like, I think it's defect because it's not moving on my screen. I don't know what's going on here. Like, come on, guys, doing this for you. Um, uh, what did Chris just say? Throw some pips on that like button. Yeah, man. What's up with that, man? Come on, guys. Thanks, Chris. That zone is in sync with minor QP. Yes, it does. With the 500, if I'm not wrong. Good morning, Sasha. Long time where I've been. Happy to see you again. Hey, man. Thank you. Welcome back, Eddie. Welcome back. Yeah, it's been a while, man. It's been a while. Took a huge break at one point, and I started like a couple months ago. Um, I mean, not a huge break of trading, always trading. But I took a huge break of streaming. Like I think it was last year. I think. Man, I have such a hard time keeping track on time. But anyways, let's focus here. Okay, let's go back to the sorry. Okay, cool. So now we're rejecting that second area of interest. Let's mark it down. Daily area of interest. Perfect. Okay, okay, okay. Let's delete this. It's not confusing. Now let's take a look at the 4 hour. So now if we look at the 4 hour, the 4 hour was bullish. Let me grab this arrow. So it was bullish here, creating high here. This is just market structure. And now we finally broke under here, creating a lower low. So meaning that this becomes your new lower high. This is your new lower low. So what do we do now? Now we just wait for the pullback. Okay, we just wait for the pullback. How come I have like so many arrows here? What is this one? All right. Can you imagine? Like we marked this down. Like I think it was like 2 weeks ago on the live stream. We marked that arrow down. We were expecting a pullback over here. Okay. I think we're still respecting the safety net, which is super important. Let's check. Yes. Look at this safety net right here. Okay. Cool. So we're respecting the safety net. Excellent. 4 hours now bearish. So now the only thing I'm missing is just a pullback now. And look like we have exhaustion here. So I don't know. Let's see. This might close. What time is it now? 7:44. So we'll see how this closes. If it's closed like a doji, there's a big chance we can have our pullback. Now let's take a look at a 1 hour. 1 hour is having a smaller pullback. Depends on the timing here. 30-minute had a nice bearish engulfing, but 30-minute flip bullish. That's a problem here. So if you look here, boom, we just flip bullish here. So I don't know. I don't trust that pullback here on H1. So I'm just going to wait for a bigger pullback on H4. Yeah, that's what I'll do. But AUD/USD looks pretty good right now. Oops, what the hell? Okay, so now let's go see our second alert here, and after that we'll go to our regular orders, which is GJ at first. NZD/USD. All right, let's go take a look. So NZD/USD H4 going bearish. Okay, so let's go check it out. So first, we need to know that weekly is bullish. Okay, and the reason why I marked H4 bearish, it's because I might go for a day trade. That's why it's blue. I might go for a day trade here, especially that I'm pretty sure we did close under that safety net now on the weekly. Yes, we did. So we did close under that safety net. Now let's go take a look at the daily. The daily is bearish. Perfect. We came down and now we have the pullback. I'm pretty sure we are in that golden zone right now. Yeah, right on it. Right on it. How beautiful is this? So this might be a day trade here. Oops, wrong. Here we go. Perfect. So if you guys have any question, please feel free to ask. Don't be shy, and especially, like, don't stop fucking liking that like button. You know, like right now we're missing a couple people. We should be 100% like ratio. All right, so let's see here. The 4 hour time frame is bullish, and now we are still bullish. Yeah, I don't count that as an elbow, to be honest. There are some people who do count it. I personally don't, and the only reason is because most of the time I got screwed up when I did. So I'm just like, when is a doji for me? It's a write-off candle, anyways. So it's an indecision candle. So for me, there is no information in that candle. So basically, we're technically still bullish at the moment. So I would wait if I want to take it to the downside, counter trend trading, based on the weekly time frame. I would wait for this to break. So I'm gonna put again that same alert that got triggered. So meaning H4 going because that wick got it triggered, but it didn't close above. So let's put it back. Here we go. Cool. Okay, so now, hold on. Let's go see if, um, so Sensei, we're getting Discord if 100% like is hit. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. I think I'm probably gonna do it. Probably gonna do it like just like lately I'm like very, very, very super busy, but I'm planning to reopen it for next month. So that was my plan. So next month I might reopen it. Probably gonna give access back to the course. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how everything goes. I'm trying to close two deals, and once this is done, we'll take a look at that. Okay. But guys, don't forget to smash a goddamn like button. And by the way, I forgot to post in the other Discord. So if someone has access to the other Discord, maybe let them know we got started. I completely forgot. Sorry about that. Are you starting to are you starting to NY? Are you starting to NY? Not sure if you mean am I starting to New York session, but I'm starting around like 7:30 a.m. Isn't weekly bouncing off from support area of interest? Plus, we have weekly engulfing. So, would you call it kind of a low probability? Yes, it's a low probability. It's also there's two time frame in sync instead of three. So yes, that if I do take that one, it's going to be a lower risk trade, a higher risk trade, but a lower risk. I don't know if that makes sense. So basically, instead of risking like 2-3%, probably going to be risking 0.5 or 1. I'll see. Um, Trade. Are you starting to? Hold on. I'm trying to. Are you starting to trade to new? Oh, okay, okay. So I guess I answered. Okay, perfect. I was not sure. Sorry, man. Okay, so let's move on. Other pair. Let's go to GJ. All right, so GJ, if we look here, did I put that on? Shit, did I erase that entry? The fuck? Oh shit. Well, if you guys saw my AG, you saw that yesterday I took a scalp on GJ, and this was purely based on the dogtail setup. I call it like that just for fun. It matched the brand, FX Dogs, dogtail setup. Ooh. Uh, so so that's what it is. Actually, man, I should do my steps right now. What time is it? All right, 9 minutes. Please, people, remind me in 9 minutes. I'll start walking because I need to get those steps done. Um, all right, all right, let's focus here. So basically, I mean, the deity is bullish, the 4 hour was bullish, so the pullback is there. It makes sense. And what happened is once we created base, it's always based on that same candle. Okay, always this candle here, the 9 a.m. candle. I basically wait for the tail to be formed, and once we get past that wick right here, so imagine the dog. Okay, so the dog take his swing, start to run. When the tail is behind, right? The dog tail set up, and we're running. And once the nose past the other a wick here, this is where we're getting our entry. And I most of the time I would use a fixed 15 pip stop loss, or I'm gonna put it under. But if it's too big, I'm gonna use a fixed 15. Because anyways, the concept of that trade should be an impulse move in like couple minutes, and after that, you should be out most of the time. So if it's coming back to entry, that means that this move's not working. Just get out. Don't let it get stopped. So this is a little different than what we do with set and forget. Okay, so this is very different. So basically, that's what I did. I did close. I had a partial TP fix with my magic key right here. So my partial TP was at 85%. and I closed it around like was 20-ish pip. So it was like almost like a 1.5 to 1, and I let the rest run. I closed another 5%, like at 30 pips. And after a while, it was jammed at the same place and I had to go. So I closed everything like it was at 30 pips. So the 10% remaining, I closed at 30 pips. So yeah, that was a pretty quick scalp and fast and everything. All right, cool. So guys, don't forget to smash the like button as we're coming in. We need to get the 100% like ratio. Now let's see what we got in stock for GJ. GJ right now is at a higher high right now. Daily higher high. I mean, there's nothing we can do right now. We need to wait. All right, we need to wait for a daily pullback or weekly pullback. I'm still gonna look at GJ for scalp on the dogtail setup once again. But this is not happening now. So let's move on. AUD USD, we actually just break it down a couple minutes ago. So if you missed it, maybe just rewind. This is a pretty good trade potential. Euro GBP, let's see here. What we got here? So we got a weekly here bullish. And guys, those lines help me so much. You should use those. They're just perfect because when you switch time frame to time frame, look at this. I know my daily's bearish, because my line are red. I mean, it's just so quick, so easy, less confusing. But this just a little tips here that I'm giving you that you guys should use. All right, so we're gonna weekly bullish. And now the daily just flipped bearish yesterday. Okay, okay. What about the 4 hour bear? Okay, so I guess I'm gonna turn this flag blue. And if we do anything, that would be like a day trade here, because we're going against now the weekly time frame. So now looking back at the daily just flipped bearish. If I'm doing a day trade here, I would wait for would wait for a pullback on the daily, and definitely a pullback on the 4 hour. So let's see here. Oh, by the way, someone asked me on Discord how to place my fib. Is really simple. I'm going to start from the beginning of the push, which is this wick. So from the beginning of the push to the end of the push, so that wick, right? So that's how I place my fib. Very basic. Okay, very basic. And the golden zone is going to be between the 50 and the 618. Golden zone. Oops, what did I do? H4, 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 H4. There we go. Perfect. So now I can remove this. So I want to have less thing on my chart. I'm going to also place an alert here. That's going to say entering GZ H4. There we go. Perfect. Cool. Okay, now AUDGPY. I love AUDGPY, man. Look at this. This is a paper trade we did together, guys. Live session last week, and as you can see, this play out massively. If we could be in that trade, like it would be like a fuck, like a 8-1. Holy shit! Now I can delete that. We already broke it down also on Forex Talk Over Beer last Thursday night, so I think that worked. Okay, so now let's go check out what we got for this week. We got a weekly bullish. We got a weekly bullish here, creating a higher high. We got the daily starting to have the pullback, which is amazing. Actually, let's remove that because what is that here? 30-minute going bullish. Okay, so there's going to be two things here. There's going to be two things. That's very interesting. We're going to have two things here. There's either we wait for the pullback on the daily. Let's see here. So here, boom. This is going to be a continuation trade, right? So we already have our other confirmation. We won like 2 trade last week. We won a 2.5 and a 4.5 to 1. Had 2% of each. So I mean, it was like crazy. Last week we did like, fuck, I can't remember. I posted on IG. I think it was like 12. Was it 12%? Guys, do you remember? I don't. It's just I suck with memories. Anyways, oops, this is the daily. ADHD just kicked in, guys. Sorry. All right, so let's focus again. What time is it? Should I do my steps? Oh, 2 minutes. Yeah, let's get this thing going. Man, Chris, where are you? Oh, fuck, man, the chat is going on. Sorry, guys, man. Let me go back here. Krish, you take the dogtail in favor of 4 hour time frame, right? Yes, yes. I need, like, if I do take the dogtail setup, I need my, let's say I want to take it to the upside, I need my 4 hour to be bullish. Yeah, trending bullish. Um, you don't go against 4 hour and dogtail. No, no. I did that a couple times in the past, but it's very rare. And when I did, like the percentage of ratio that was successful was not that great, so that's why I stopped. Also, you care daily and weekly if they, not really like that one, because since that one is very like scalping and very like fast, fast, fast. I don't take in consideration like the. Of course, it's always better. Like sometimes, let's say, okay, so this is a good example and a good question. So let's say that the daily is bullish and the weekly bullish. I might extend the TP instead of going like for a 1-to-1 or 1.5-to-1. I might go for a 2-to-1. Let's say, something like that. That's why I kept a runner yesterday and didn't close everything in full because everything was bullish and was pushing hard. So that's why. Let's see here. Amir, how do we get those lines to show us trend direction? It's very simple. It's just manually. So what I did, actually, let me set up my walking pad, and we're gonna answer those questions, and we're gonna jump back into AUD guys. By the way, guys, if you have any question, feel free to. What the fuck is going on here? Like my desk doesn't want to go up anymore. What? Error number 3. Okay, give me one sec, guy. What's going on here? Okay. Where is this thing? Give me one second, guys. I'm with you. All right. So it looked like my desk doesn't want to go up anymore. So what's going on here? Let me disconnect that for 1 second. If this doesn't work, we're just gonna continue, guys. This should not be turned on anymore. It's disconnected, right? The fuck? Okay, fuck it. Sorry, guys. Oh well, it is what it is. Okay, let's focus. Okay, so how do we get those lines? Very simple. You just place those manually. So what you do is, let's say you got your high, boom, you place your line here. And so what I did is actually save those as templates. So I do settings. I give them a name, so let's say H4 high, so that's gonna be the text here on the line, and you save it. You save it as a template. Okay, so now I'm gonna cancel because I want to save over. So yes, the first time it's like painful because you have to do them all. Like if you see here, you see save drawing template. So I got all those. So once you place it once, after that they're there. You just move them. So every time you got a new high, you just update your chart. So pretty simple. Ellery, I have alarm for 8:59 for your steps. Oh, thanks, bro. But my desk seems to be giving me problem right now, so I don't know what happened. Like this is the first time I have problem with desk. And it rang. Oh, here we go. Smash the like button, guys. So yeah, come on, but let's go. Will do. Thank you. All right, cool. So let's focus. Let's continue here. So we got the daily here. So like I was saying, there's 2 things we can do with AUDUSD. Number 1, we can wait for the pullback, which is, I think that's going to happen here, to go to the daily golden zone, which is also in sync. If you look with the previous structure point right here, that got broken and never retested yet. Boom, there we go. And if we extend that to the left, do we have another? Is that an area of interest? It's not an area of interest, but it's clearly previous structure point and a major QP. So if you see here, we're gonna put that here, which is boom. We're gonna put settings, coordinate. We're gonna change that to 0, 0. Boom, and we're gonna select one of our templates, which is major QP, which is a purple line. Perfect. So this is pretty good. So if we get down here, that's gonna be a nice freaking trade here. Yeah, we're gonna be retesting previous structure, going to the get daily golden zone, retesting major QP, which would be pretty cool. We kind of got that pullback here. So that's why my other idea, since we got that wick pullback, that kind of did all those retests. But don't forget, guys, most of the time, even if you have a wick like this, most of the time you will have actually candle coming down. And the reason why is because most of the time candle will fill those wicks. Okay. So, but let's say that we are in a period like a timing that there's a lot of volume in the market. If you look at this 4 hour, we already had the pullback inside that 4 hour pullback. Golden zone, I mean, sorry guys. So now the only thing I'm be missing is for the hold on, wait a second. For the 4 hour to go back bullish. Oops, let me update this. This is kind of effy here. Like this elbow, I don't really like it, to be honest. What about the 30-minute? Yeah, okay. So I'll consider the 30-minute because it's more clean. So here, yeah, okay. So that's why I placed the alert there. So once the 30-minute goes back bullish, I might be willing to take that trade. But I would prefer a full pullback on the daily in this area. I'm actually going to place an alert here. Let's do this. And we're going to say, boom. Entering daily GZ. There we go. Perfect. We good? Okay. Man, I'm on fire this morning. Wish I can do my steps, man. What the fuck? Okay. Any question for AD GPY? Let's see. I'm gonna go check the chat. Krish, mind checking your red flag pair, LOL, because I'm looking forward to take trade in that probably tomorrow. Nah, those fucking red flags, man. Come on, bro. Like those motherfucker here. But yeah, we'll take a look at it. So NZD GPY, let's see here. NZD GPY, love this. I love like AD GPY and NZD GPY have been so good to me. Like it's not even funny. And NZD GPY looks pretty much the same right now. Like weekly's bullish. We created a higher high. Daily is bullish. Now we're having the pullback. Are we gonna get the same thing here? Like it's possible. It's really possible. So here we got a daily area of interest. Perfect. Now we also have this golden zone, which is also in sync with that daily area of interest, which is perfect. And we have a major QP also. Perfect. Man, this thing's gonna be fired up. Setting. Fuck, man, this thing is beautiful. So same thing here. 4 hour. We have the pullback here. Okay, 1 hour. Shit, did we just? Fuck, I think I just repeated myself. Was I? I thought I was looking at EDGP. Oh shit, they really look the same. Holy sh! Like I thought for 1 second that this was the same. Yeah, I don't agree with this. Sasha, were you drunk when you did that? Yeah, no. But same thing here. I will definitely count like the 30-minute. Yeah. Wow, they look so much the same. It's not even funny. Okay. Great. Perfect. So yeah, let's just wait that. I'm also gonna place an alert here. Entering daily GZ. So same concept here. So ADGPY and NZDGPY are setting up pretty nicely right now. They're not ready, but looks pretty fire. GA. Let's see if we have any question before we move on. Um, the gold zone is 382 fib. 382 fib is also another rejection area. I would look at them sometimes. I prefer the golden zone, which is between the 50 and the 618. So Krish sent a chart. Okay, we're gonna go take a look at it. It's yeah, thank you to answer that. AD and ZD brother from different mother. Imagine trade AED and ZD pair sideways shit. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. um, okay, so what's next? Euro GBP, we talked about it. NZD, we talk about it. GCAD, not interested if I'm not wrong. Let's see. GCAD bullish, daily bear, no, not interested. EuroCAD, uh, not interested. USDCHF, clearly not interested. Euro NZD, what's up with that one? So we're bullish here. The fuck? Okay, so look like this shit is now bearish. So you see, this is the only thing I do. I just modify my line. I said, all right, daily lower low and daily higher low, lower high. Oops, not 1 hour session. What the fuck? And you see that line disappeared, and the reason why it's because I put only visible for that time frame. You know, so that's the other important thing. Because if not, you're gonna have like the lines on all the time frame, which is kind of confusing. Um, uh, 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 which time frame are we daily? Daily. There we go. Perfect. So yeah, Euro NZD, not very interested. It's disgusting. Like when you look at pairs like this, it's just like fuck it, you know. Like move on to the next one. GN, not really. No, we're bearish here and we're bullish there. Yeah, no, not interested. GU, GU is interesting. GU is quite interesting. So look at this. So GU, we've been bearish. We have the pullback inside that golden zone, retesting this major QP. Look at all this price action here, like having problem with this area and now start to reject. So I really like this. Not gonna lie, I really like this. You also have like this infamous shampoo pattern, you know, boom, 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 boom. So look like now we're coming up to retest this neckline, which is good. Which is also previous structure point, which is also an area of interest. If you look here, we got 1, 2, 3 touches, 4 touches, 5 touches, 6 touches, 7 touches. So pretty solid. Um, so now let's take a look. Daily went bullish now to have this pullback. Yeah, we have a we have a good elbow here. So yeah, so now we're just gonna update this. I'm gonna say all right, daily, higher high, boom, daily, higher low. Here we go. So now we got a weekly what am I saying? We got the weekly bearish. Sorry guys. We got the daily bullish having this pullback, which is great. And now we should start coming back down. So the thing I would like to see here on the daily is this. Something like this, come down, retest, take the trade. So it's not ready yet, but this definitely gonna move up here. So this looking good for probably next week, maybe the end of the week. Let's update the 4 hour time frame also. So here we are bullish now. And here we are bullish. Perfect. Cool. So that's a good potential for the upcoming days. We had some question also. Let me go back on Discord here. Matthias, hopefully you're here. Well, let me see here. So, one question. Sometimes it happened to me that when I wait for 4 hours for it to change, I don't have a retracement. Okay, but I see some people enter when 30-minute SOS, obviously with weekly and daily and synchro. I don't know when I take my position. Good question. Okay. So here is it's actually a good question because he's asking like I see people entering the 30-minute switch of structure. Um and sometimes you wait for the 4 hour to change. It depends on your plan, but in all honesty, like I always wait. Like if the don't forget the 30-minute switch of structure will be the first to happen. So it's normal it happened before the 4 hour. But again, if let's say your weekly and daily are in sync, and you're waiting for that 4 hour to switch of structure, obviously that your 30 minutes is gonna happen before, right? So you can take it. Honestly, I would not. And the reason why it's because I don't have a confirmation yet that my 4 hour is going bullish. It's still bearish, you know? So I don't know if that pullback is done yet. So like it all depends. Like for people, like personally, I will never rarely, very rarely, like cannot even like remember when it's the last time I went against my 4 hour, you know? Because 4 hour time frame is pretty solid, not gonna lie. Um like back then, a couple of years ago, I was testing my golden zone theory, and I was testing it mostly on the 4 hour, and it was insane. Like how that 4 hour was like so powerful and so respecting the market structure. So yeah, I will know personally. I will not go, but again, it's based on your plan, and this is good for you, Matthias, and all the other one. All right. So people in Discord, please stop following what people says. Just do your thing. Yeah, you can ask question because that's the best way to learn to ask question. But ask the right question. Send chart. Like we're gonna look at Chris chart. And that's very important. That's the best way to learn. Yeah. So, anyways, just don't focus on what the other does. Focus on what you do. Establish what's your plan and stick to your plan. Follow your game plan. That's the only way you're gonna make it, guys. Only way you're gonna make it. Okay. So let me just finish ERGU. I think we're good. I'm just gonna place an alert here. So hopefully, Matthias, that was answering the question. If not, and you're here, please let me know. H4 going bearish. Cool. Um, let's see here. I've always waited for 4 hour to get in sync as same as you sensei, and yes, few of them does not give pullback or make high low or low high, but following this rule to wait for hour saves me from countless loss. Yes, exactly. Because don't forget, if you wait for that 4 hour, like again, hold up, wait a second. There's times though that I will not wait for the pullback, but my 4 hour is bullish though, you know. And the reason why it's because I'm in a time, I'm in a specific time that there's volume in the market, and I know that I might not have that pullback, and I will take it. But I'm not going against my 4 hour. So that's two different things though. I totally agree with you. But the question here was mostly like should I enter when the 30-minute SOS or wait for the 4 hour SOS? Or maybe I did that wrong. But whatever. I think that answered two questions at the same time. So basically, yes, most of the time I will wait for the pullback, but every fucking time I will be like following that 4 hour time frame. So it's always good to miss the trade rather than taking low. Absolutely, I prefer to miss the trade than taking a loss. Have you found that most of your losses come from breaking a particular rules of yours, other than going against the H4, for example? I would say that most of the losses comes from doing something stupid. Because we're still human. And even myself, I still battle with my mind sometimes, and I just do stupid stuff. It's like, oh, let me try this for this time, and that was stupid. So yes, most of the time will be for breaking rules. Um, which one can be? Well, like last week, like that last week, I took the trade once the H4 switch of structure, but didn't wait for the pullback and got a loss. So that's a good example. But except that, yeah, there's other one like when I want to put like sometimes I put like a more aggressive stops. Sometimes I get stopped like that. Uh, what else? What else? Yeah, I think I got nothing in mind particularly, but I would say that yes, most of the time will be from coming from breaking rules, but sometimes also, I mean, it's just not playing out, and that can happen also. Don't forget, guys, you can lose and have everything in confidence, everything perfect, and the market does what the market does. So it doesn't matter. Like you can be perfect at technical analysis, perfect at fundamentals, perfect at everything, but you can still lose. Don't forget that. So this is trading, just like you can still lose. So be okay with it. Because if you're having a hard time getting a loss, I'm telling you, stop doing this thing because you're gonna keep losing year after year, day after day. Now, the most important thing is getting your winners bigger than your loser, and that's it. Because you will not stop losing, even if you're the best trader in the world. You will lose every there and there. Okay, so you gotta be okay with that, but make sure that your winners are always bigger than your losers. Um, so your definition of day trade is when the 4 hour and daily in sync against it weekly. I would not say it's the definition, but it would be the setup I'm looking for myself. Morning, Sasha. I hope you and your family doing great. Thank you, man. I'm Yogi. How you doing, buddy? Um, if not wrong, most of your losses, which are lessons for us, comes from taking the trade at a higher high, lower low of daily or weekly. Yes, you're right. And other reason is because not waiting for actual pullback on day golden zone. Absolutely, that makes sense. Good morning, buddy. Ayo, how you doing? All right, cool. So now let's go check Chris charts before we continue on our analysis. Actually, let's do this. Copy link. Boom. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm gonna share with you also what the. Oh yeah, I'm gonna share with you guys a way you can win literally $100,000 for free. Yeah, there's a raffle going on with one of the project I'm with, so I'm gonna share that information to you. It's totally free. The only thing you have to pay is the gas fee, which is like I think it's like under $1. So yeah, you definitely want to stay here and hear about it. $100,000. And again, it's a draw. It's a raffle. So it's not me giving away money, right? It's not me. But I'll show it to you. All right, cool. There we go. Let's do this. Uh, yes. Perfect. So we got Chris's chart here. We got the USD CAD, the infamous shittiest pair ever in the world, which is probably like equivalent to Euro USD. So let's see here. Um, we're looking at the 4 hour time frame. Um, Okay, we are bearish here, bearish there. Now flip bullish, wait for the pullback, go to the upside. Okay. Let's go take a look at it. USD bullshit, and that's the reason why I put it down there because it's just shit. So we even that paper trade didn't play out. Like I hate USD CAD. It's not even funny. Okay, so let's update this chart. By the way, if you want to see the breakdown of those two trades, just watch Forex Stock Overview from last Thursday. We broke it down fully. So now if you look at this, the weekly is bullish. The daily is bullish. We got the pullback inside the day golden zone, which is also pretty much in sync with that area of interest here. Perfect. Excellent. Okay, so now let's go take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour went bearish from there to there, and after that flipped bullish from here to here. Perfect. Okay, so now we got the daily, the 4 hour. What am I saying? Did I say the daily? No, this is the daily. 4 hour. Okay, cool. Looks good. Looks good. To be honest, like if I was trading USD CAD, it will be interesting. But I'm done with the USD CAD. Fuck it. Already had problem with USD CAD in the past, and recently I'm like, you know what? Let me trade again. What? Yeah, that was a mistake. Um, because the thing, and people's gonna ask like, why? Why do you hate USD CAD? So now the 1 hour is bearish actually. Hold on, let me just update this. Boom and boom. Once this candle close, we're gonna move the line, but it's not closed yet. So why do I hate USD CAD? First, because those are two majors, and there's so many things that can impact those two pairs. So many fucking news that you can have the perfect technical analysis, and someone makes one tweet from one of the president, and you're fucking done. You know, this shit goes down. Like there's other pairs. Yeah, yeah, you're gonna say yeah, they can be the same thing, but there's less impacted. You know, very less impacted. Like USD CAD and Euro USD are the two probably worst manipulated pair out there, because there's so much volume in those pairs, so much people implicated in those pairs that I'm like, fuck it, fuck it. Yeah. Oh well. Okay, but yeah, it makes sense though. To answer your question, Krish, it does make sense what you're looking for. Now you gotta wait for that 4 hour to go, that 1 hour to go back bullish though. But you should have that pullback now. This the only thing though is this daily now doesn't have a wick at the top though, so it's really rare. It's really rare that a daily doesn't have a wick at the top or at the bottom. I mean, look at all those daily candle. Okay, look at all those daily candle. Let me grab this arrow. Let me grab. Let's see. Wick, 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 wick. Even a tiny wick, right? Wick, 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 wick. That's the only one in that screen without a wick. You know, so there's a big probability for price to coming back up, create that wick. Not gonna lie. But it's possible. I'm not saying it's not possible. It's possible, but it's just super rare. Like, look, oh, we got one here. So we got the cousin here. Um, but yeah, it's really rare. Like it does happen once in a while, but pretty rare. If there's no wick and this candle closed, that means like there's like huge push to the downside for sure. Okay, so now let's go back to our pairs. We got 100% like ratio, guys. That's good. Thanks, guys, man. Chris Soul Dogs, no, the raffle is done by photo finish, so we'll discuss that in a couple minutes. Can you please share your fib setting? Yes, I will. Let's do this. Oops, wrong tool. Style. Here we go. So you can take a screenshot. I'm gonna leave it there for like another 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Eh. All right. Anyways, if you didn't have time, just rewind, pause it, take the screenshot. Oops. What the fuck? Cool. Okay, let's see. Nice support to buy USD dollar for you. Yes. Yeah, the only reason why I'm watching USD CAD is to know when I'm buying USD for vacation. Because right now we're going back on a cruise, so I'm gonna need to buy some USD. Um, US CAD 30-minute bull, but 1 hour bear. That's shit. Yes, exactly. Thank you. You're welcome, buddy. Okay, so let's continue. Let's see if we have any other great opportunity here. So we did push GU here on top. Not on top, but in the list because it did look good. Euro CHF, which is kind of crazy pair too. We got a new higher high here. Damn. Okay. So here. So now we can delete that because we had the retest here, exactly what we wanted. We actually did come up, retest this area of structure. Hold on. Wait a second. Daily. Daily went bearish here. Okay, we're still bearish. So the day is still bearish here. So let's update this. Boom. And daily low. Excellent. I mean, 4 I'm not going to update it because I'm not that interested in that pair. But 80 CAD. Let's see, AUD CAD. Ladies and gentlemen, we got bearish weekly. We got the daily bullish. And we got a weekly now bullish. Yes. We're still bullish at the moment. But about to flip. Okay, I don't like it. Euro GPY. Here I'm going fast because, I mean, it's... Oh, what the hell? Euro GPY. Look at this shit. Wow. Okay. Let's delete all this. Let's start from scratch. So we got a weekly bullish. We created a new higher high. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily is also bullish. We're getting the pullback here. Hold on. Wait a second. So now that we established that the daily and the weekly are bullish, let's see which area of interest we have here on the weekly. Look like on the weekly, we got nothing. We are at the highest point since a while. Okay. So since we have no area of interest, I'm gonna use that. I cannot use the fib because I don't have a bearish candle yet. But let's go to the daily. Daily, we can retest that previous structure point that was broken, which is we got what 1, 2. Do we have another point? Nah, ish. So that would be previous structure point. Let's go take a look on. Look at this. How beautiful is this? We are in what the? Don't scare me like this. Daily golden zone. Which alert is that? NZD USD. Okay, we're gonna go take a look at it. So we got an alert NZD USD H4 going bearish. So please remind me to go back. All right, guys. So okay, now let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour does look good. Let me update those lines though. Where's my other line? The fuck? How come? Give me 1 sec, guys. Oh, the other line's here. Oui. Bye. All right, guys. Sorry, the wifey was leaving. Okay, so here we got this, and yeah, we got this here. So we're still bullish here on H4. So yeah, whatever. We're gonna let things go. So I'm gonna move this up under what the fuck? Under GU. It's an upcoming pair. What else? Euro CHF, we took a look at GPY. Let's see. Weekly. All right, so we got a weekly bullish creating a new higher high. And we got the daily bullish creating a new higher high. And now we're having a pullback. Okay, so now let's go back to the weekly. We'll do the same thing. We'll establish area of interest. Let's see between those two lines. Which area? The other advantage also to have those lines is you can literally look for area of interest between those two lines. And now we're back to 2007, so it's way too far. So now We don't have any area of interest. Let's go down to the daily. Do we have any area of interest between those two lines? I guess that's going to be pretty much last structure point. Still going to call it daily area of interest here because we have 3 touches. Um, but I think this area of interest is quite low. Let's go check our fib setting, what we got here. So from the beginning of the push, the end of the push, and we got our golden zone right here. So the golden zone right there. Perfect. I'm going to place an alert here. Daily entering GZ. Okay. What about 4R? 4R is bullish also. Cool, cool, cool. So from here, H4 high low. Okay, took a second to update. I was like, what the hell I just did? And here we got 4 higher high. Perfect. Cool, cool, cool. So we are inside. I'm pretty sure we are inside that H4 golden zone though. Are we? Yeah, we're right inside. We did respect the safety net. Look at all those rejection. We actually came down inside the day golden zone also. Okay, so now let's go take a look. We got the weekly bullish, the daily bullish, the 4 hour bullish. This start to look good. I'm actually going to put a blue flag here. Actually, green flag. This look good. Everything's in sync. 1 hour. Let's go take a look at 1 hour. So 1 hour went bearish. That's good. Where are those lines? Right here. Okay. So right here, we are bearish. So now we need the 1 hour to go back bullish. Okay. So I would prefer, to be honest, to have the 1 hour going like something like this. Break above here, retest, go to the upside. That would be so much better than just, breaking above here, having to pull back. But it is what it is. I'm going to keep an eye on it. What is this alert? Let's do this one. I'm going to say H1. H1 going bullish, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, guys, don't forget, I'm going to share with you a way you can whoa. You can win like a one-time shot. It's a draw, $100,000. It's not me doing it, so it's a project I'm with. So I'm going to discuss that with you guys in just a couple minutes. 30 minutes. Where are the lines? Oh my, here we go. Cool. Okay, so now we got the 30-minute, also bearish. So 30-minute bear, 30-minute bear. There we go. Perfect. Cool. All right. So CAD GPY looks pretty decent. What else? What else? What else? Euro AUD. Let's take a look. Weekly. Well, weekly is bullish since a while. Daily is just fuck. Look at this range. How ugly it is. Ugh. I hate it. Yeah, no, I don't like it. GBP Look at this. GBP Like, look, guys. Since August 2022, also, just like look at this range. Ugh. It's a pretty big range. Don't get me wrong, but it was so ugly. Yeah, I'm not interested. Entity CAD. Entity CAD. I've been following Entity CAD for so long. It's just, I don't know. It's been more than a year. I've been watching Entity CAD closely because I was hoping for that pullback here, to go up, and NZCAT kind of, I don't know what it's doing. It's just like, what the fuck? So I kind of quit. CAD CHF. CAD CHF. Sorry, guys. I'm kind of, not interested. ADCHF. Yeah, no, not at all. We're at a higher high. No, no, no. Thank you. USD GPY. USD GPY creating a new higher high here on the weekly. Okay. Daily. Interesting. Daily is also bullish. Um, 4 hour bullish. And what's going on with this pair? Like, look at this. Like, there's so no volume. Like, what's going on? Like, look at those. Like, what happened? Was there like a week like vacation here? Like a second week of vacation? What the fuck is going on here? Like, wow. I remember when I got started like a couple of years ago, USDGPY was like so hot, it was like, and I realized that it was moving as slow as my grandmother at one point. When I started to trade GJ as a scalping pair, I realized that USDGPY was going as fast as my grandmother on a wheelchair. So CHF GPY, no thank you. ADNZD, no thank you. Do you have, guys, any other pairs that you want to look at? Oh, Solana is having a decent pullback here. That's good. Love it. Love it. Yeah. Any other pairs you guys want to take a look at? Let me go check the chat here. That shit flew. Oh shit, I can't remember which one was it. So as AU, damn, all US pair going crazy. Yeah. ADC. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, maybe I went too fast. ADCHF. I don't know. CHF pair also kind of be like a little like ugh. ADCHF. Let's take a look. Just for you, Krish. Just for you. So create a new higher high here. So we are at our higher high on the weekly. Daily is bearish. So 4 hours bullish. So I don't know, man. Weekly's bullish. Daily's bearish. And 4 hours bullish. So no thank you. Any other pairs? What's your prediction for BTC? BTC, man, have been on point, bro. BTC is like crazy. BTC, I called that fucking pullback like a year ago. From this week, if you go back to my live stream, you'll see I discussed that live after that weekly engulfing. I said that we're going to retest this point here that was never been retested. And man, we got super fucking close to it. I had one of my students that was supposed to get my name tattooed in his ass if we were getting there. We missed it by like 2,000 basically, but it was good. So now what's up with BTC? Look like BTC is having the pullback now. Yeah, I would see a retest at 50K. Definitely. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're gonna retest 50K. Pretty damn sure here. Yep. 52. Yeah, around 52 area. But yeah, let's go back to actually let's do this. Let me show you something. Um, okay, two things. Oops. Okay, let me get another window here. Uh, New window. All right, cool. So yeah, so now let me show you the raffle where you can win $100,000. Um, so you can go on Twitter. Well, I mean, first you're gonna go on photofinish.live. Okay, you're gonna create. Hold on, let me get to my stable here. The fuck? Oh, I'm not on the right screen. Um, okay, here, perfect. So I'm going to paste here a referral code. So that's going to give you 3 free mint of the Superfecta sweepstake. That's going to give you 3 tickets for that. That's going to give you also a free horse to practice. So you definitely want to use that promo code. So basically, once you sign up, okay, once you sign up, automatically, and it's free, okay, automatically you get a chance to, not a chance, you have for sure 3 tickets, and you only have 3 days remaining to go get them. So do it fast. Use the promo code, and you're also gonna get a free trainer horse to practice with it. This game, by the way, guys, if you don't know about this game, I'm telling you, this game is crazy. Do your own research, obviously. But I've been like on this pretty solid. It's doing super good. If you go on Twitter, you can go on Photo Finish also. Photo Finish. Here we go. Right here, go follow them. And you have like, here is, they are the official game of the Kentucky Derby, by the way, which is like this week, which is the 150th anniversary. That's why they're giving away $100,000. You see people are buying those tickets now, like they're stacking on tickets. But I'm looking, yeah, here you got one guy who did a video promo for that. But I'm looking for, there's a video too that's going to show you exactly how to mint your tickets. This guy is called, what's his name? Lino. NFT. He has a YouTube channel also with all the trips. What am I saying? NFT Lino, maybe? Lino? There we go. He's there. Okay, cool. So that account, you also have like a YouTube channel. Let me go click on his name. Here we go. Perfect. So here, how to claim your free Superfecta ticket. I'm actually gonna link that. I'm gonna paste that video here. I'm gonna post it also. There we go. Perfect. So I posted the link. So it's going to show you exactly how to claim your ticket. You basically just have to create a Coinbase account and a Photo Finish account. That's the 2 things you need to create, but it's free. So that's kind of cool. Actually, I got a race here. Do we want to watch a race? Oh, it's double cream. That's one of my worst horse. But you know what? Let's take a look. So this is the actual game. Well, I'm gonna get killed on that. But that's fine. I'm just gonna show you like the game. So you can basically buy horses, sell horses, breed horses, race horses, but you earn real goddamn money. Made like quite good amount of money with this game. So yeah, I don't even know which horse I'm on right now. Doesn't really matter. Just to show you the, like the graphic. I don't know how it looks when I'm restreaming, but it's pretty solid. It's like real life, like those bloodlines, genes, crazy. So I don't know. I know it doesn't have to anything to do with Forex, but I know if we do Forex, we all degens a little bit. And this game is just amazing. This is the next best thing right now. My double cream is number 4, so we're pushing up here. Damn, she's in the pack. I thought she would be murdered. She's in fourth place now. Or fifth. Usually she start crashing at fourth, fourth. Whoa, whoa! What? What? She's going to run? Holy! Can we get a podium? Can we get a podium? No way! Can we get a second place? No fucking way! Yo! Double cream, baby! Dude, that's his first podium. And you guys brought me luck right there. That's so sick. I thought you would be murdered. Holy! That's a small raise though. Like it's not the win here is small because the entry was very small. So, but like yesterday had 5 races, and I think total I made like around like 2,000. I think 2,700 USD. So yeah, that's pretty good. Shit, that's amazing. That's our first podium, I think. Second podium. Look, 10 race, one second place, we just did now, and she had a third place. Yeah, that horse not great, but I got some good one though. Yeah. Anyways, enough talking about that. I don't want to border being boring here. What time is it here? 8:49. Okay, so let's go do a little quick wrap up. Guys, if you have any question, let me know. By the way, um, what's your we answer that? For sure, Phil will be sweating seeing VT7. Yeah, man, he was going crazy, Phil. He was going crazy. So yeah, so you guys got the referral code. You go to photofinish.live, and you just click on register, and you're gonna get access to your free 3 tickets to win $100,000. That's gonna be the draw is gonna be I think during like Kentucky Derby. I think this weekend. But yeah, should be fun. Should be fun, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see here. All right, cool. So let's do a little wrap up here. Let's go check GJ. Let me put this screen bigger. Okay, so GJ. Actually, here we have an elbow here. Okay. Yeah, GJ. Weekly bullish, daily bullish, 4 hour bullish. And now the 4 hours about to close. I don't like the fact. It's good that it closed above though. So I might look again for the same thing for the dogtail setup here. Probably gonna wait for that next candle to open up, wick down, and once we pass it, we go to the upside. But for me, I really want this candle to close above this. So in 10 minutes, if it does close above, I'm gonna be interested. If not, I don't know. I'm just the 1 hour is now actually the 1 hour is bullish from here to here. Oops. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, because you know what? Look at this. We're having a problem here with this area. Look at all those rejection here. So I really want this candle to close above. For me, that's a big thing. Plus, I think it's going to be closing above that major. Oh, yeah, it's because of that major QP right here, 197. That's why. Right there. Yeah, that major QP is giving a hard time. Look at this. Yeah, I need that candle to close above that major QP. That would be best. That would be best. If it does close above here, that 4 hour, might be interesting if we start breaking the high. Like I said, the dogtail setup. But if it does close under that resistance, I'm not going to be interested. So let's see here. Do we have any more questions? I think we're good. I think we answered them all. Let's see. Any last questions, guys? You have max SL 15 pip on dogtail and no flexibility. It depends. It's like most of the time I will go with a fixed 15 pip stop loss. But if the tail is not that long, let's say it's a 20 pip, I'll do 20 pip. But I'll not do more than 20 though. Like if the wick is like 12 pips, I'm gonna do 12 pips. I'm gonna be under the wick, right? But most of the time would be around 15 pips fix. So so yeah, but again, this is something you need to test and try it and see how it works. You see, now we're pushing hard. We got the NY Open coming up, right? So should I stick around for a couple extra minutes with you guys? Should I do that? I don't know. Can we get maybe like four more likes? Are we? Can we get it? So I'll give like 30 likes. Just love round numbers. Where's GJ on my MT4 here? GJ, where are you? Let me get my MT4 ready. GJ, boom. Because it doesn't mean it's gonna happen like right away either, right? So, open calc. There we go. Perfect. All right, magic keys ready. I broke that button here. I don't know how I did that, but whatever. All right, so let's see. We got like 5 minutes. Should I stay live? That's a question. Can we get four more likes? If we get four more likes, I'm staying on. I think 30. 30 looks good. Like 30 likes look good. If it takes more than 30 minutes and it's sideways, oh yeah, absolutely. Like because it should be like a push. It should be like instant push, like a couple minutes. So more than 30 minutes. If I leave it more than 30 minutes, because it's gonna be like a small runner, but my full position will be closed. Um, Headshot that like button. IG you also take the dot and one. Okay, so no, that's different. I mean, different-ish. When I use it on a 1 hour, it's because let's say I don't want to wait for my. I know I'm in a high volume period, and I don't want to wait for the close of the candle. So sometime I'm gonna use that as a confluence because most of the time, when you broke that wick, when you break that wick, the odds are bigger for price to continue in that direction than the opposite. So yes, sometimes I'm gonna use that as a confluence when I'm in a high volume period time. Of course, stay live, Sensei. All right, so we got one more. We got three more to go, man. Come on, to go straight because it will not work. Yes, exactly. And again, it's because I've been testing it so much, right? Um, did my kid left for school yet? I didn't hear him. Um. Okay. Sorry, guys. All right, so we'll stay on. We'll stay on, even if we're missing 3 likes. God damn it. Um. Come on, guys, man. Three more to go. Come on, we can do it. Man, I just shared. Like, I'm curious. Like, who's gonna go get their super affected ticket to have a chance to win $100,000? Like, I'm just curious. You guys gonna do it or what? I mean, it's free. I mean, you got a gas fee to pay, which is like I think like close to $1 or something like that. Um, Look at this candle now. We got like 2 minutes and 30 seconds to go, and look at this shit. Those major QP works fucking well. Look at this. Like if it would close above the major QP for me, it will be like a no-brainer. Like I will be probably like going like 2-3% like on that scalp. But if it's closing under, probably gonna go 0.5 or 1 because I don't trust it that much. I mean, look at the previous like 1, 2, 3, 4 candles that was close to that area just got rejected hard. I mean, look at this one. Phew, bam! It touched it and sayonara. So yeah, price action is like so crucial, guys. Like crucial to understand it. How those candle works. Like every candle has a story to tell, right? I learned that from Raja back then, and that was like very good information. Um, all right, we're going back above. We got 1 minute to go. Last minute, 1 minute to go. Please, ladies. Oh, we got one more light to go by, guys. Come on. One more. Can we get 30? Come on, guys. Who's going to be lucky 30? Maybe if you're a 30th one, you have more chance to win the $100,000. Just saying. Just saying. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe good karma is going to be on your side. Oh, we got 30. We got 30 likes. Let's go. We did it. Thank you, guys. So I don't have any more hats. I was looking at my box. I only have sweater, but I would be like giving away a hat. I might do some extra one soon. All right. Look like we got 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And closed. Yes, we did close above. That's amazing. Okay, so now here is another rule about that setup. If it breaks first, I'm waiting. If it breaks in the first like couple seconds or minute, I'm just chilling and I'm waiting because most of the time we'll go down, create that wick. Okay. And even in the first minute or so, when it start breaking up, most of the time it comes down. You see, now we created that wick. So let me just see here. All right, cool. So my MT4 is ready. All right, great. Now we're creating a nice wick. Perfect. Excellent. Let me get this magic key here. And look like we're about to go up now. We actually came down and retest that major QP. I have like a 15 pip stop loss. Hold on. All right, I'm in. I don't know if you heard the noise from Magic Key. I'm gonna put the sound higher. I'm gonna put a Noto break even at 11 pips, just because that's how I've been doing it for so long. So 11.2 pips. Here's my auto break even set. I got 1%. I got 1.5% at risk here. So we'll see. So let's see. By the way, I should put it here. So price exactly is entry 197,126. 197,126. So that's my entry. My stop is at 196,983. 196,983. Something like that. Yeah, 14 pip stop loss. And TP, whatever, I'm gonna put here maximum TP. But that's gonna be a runner by then. So right now I'm gonna put the partial TP here. Probably around like 20 pips. So let's do this. 20 pips. 20 pips. And I'm gonna be closing 85% at 80 pips. Thank you to Magic Key. Boom. There we go. Set. So yeah. So here is going to be the TP, partial TP. right here. So 1.4 to 1. So that's a quick scalp, like I said. And we'll see. Alrighty. Alrighty. So again, like this is just me. I'm not saying you should do that. Again, I need to protect myself here because people get crazy sometimes. This is just my personal trade, my idea. You do it or you don't. You will exit 90% of partials. I put 85%. 'Cause I think it's gonna go higher, to be honest. Since we close above that major QP, we should go visit that next major QP, to be honest. But I'm not gonna extend that fully. So, oh shit! Whoa, what's going on? Oh fuck! There was news. I didn't check. Was it news? 9 a.m. No, okay. 8:30. Okay, no. What the hell was just happening? You saw it retracing so fast. I was like, whoa. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are at 6 pips now. I'm gonna have to close soon though. I got some meeting to get ready. All right, we're at 9 pips, 9.3, 9.8, 10. Oh, hear that sound. Here we go. So we're risk free now. So boom. So stops at break even. And now we are on the way to that partial TP. So, boom. So we are live here on YouTube, and we took that doctor setup once again, and we're auto break even just got hit. So now we'll see if we can hit that partial TP now, set at 20 pips. Let's go. All right, now we're at 15. I mean 14.1. Come on, W in the chat. 1R. Yes, I can close at 15, to be honest. Yeah, it's not bad. If I see there's problem there, that's probably what I'm gonna do. Usually I highly recommend people to close out 1-to-1 on that kind of setup first. And once you get confident, you can extend a little bit more. Like the one I have like right now is 1.4. So yeah. Why you go B? What condition? That's the setup I have. Like I put break even at 11 pips. That's how I do it on that setup. So because if it comes down after that, just take it's gonna come down whatever, and I don't want to hit my stop loss. So W in the chat, baby. Let's go. Um, let's go. All right. So yeah, that's a fair win, guys. I mean, you can close like it was like a 14.6. I mean, it's profits. Profits is profit. I don't care about 1-to-1. You got to make sure that you don't hit your stop on that kind of setup. If it does, it does, right? But you so we'll see. Right now I'm gonna let it play out because worst case that can happen is gonna hit my stop at break even. So I'm like, fuck it. So I'm gonna wait a couple minutes still. And the reason why it's because fire emoji. Let's go. Let me check that 15 minutes. 15 minutes looks good. What about the 5? 5 minute looks good. So 5 minute just opened like a minute ago. So we create a bottom wick, which is normal. And now we should start pushing back up because we already broke previous high. So technically we should continue now. All right, we're going back up now. Does B means with cost of commission? Not exactly. The commission is still going to be there. So what I do most of the time, I actually put my stop break even at 1 pip, so you pretty much even out, right? Um, or I close manually just before hitting my stop and break even, so I get a little bit of profit, so we cover commission, you know. But yeah, that's okay. So we're back up to 14.5. Can we get 20? That'll be great. 15.2. Yeah, like most of you should secure at 1 to 1. I'm not gonna lie. So we just hit 15.2 again. 15.7. All right, 15, 16.1, baby. Let's go. All right, so we are live once again on the Dogtail setup. We just hit 16 pips. We're about to hit that partial TP. That's going to be closing 85% of the position at 20 pips. Let's see, can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? We got some W's in the chat. Let's go. All right, can we get it? Fuck. That 5 minutes about to close bearish. That sucks. That really sucks. So we got 30 seconds. Yeah, that's not good. Like I said, most of the time you should exit at 15 pips on that kind of setup. All right, so we're closing. Yeah, 3 seconds. Bearish, but it would be nice if it closed with no wick at the bottom. That means that there's less probability for price to continue to the downside now. So now we might have a small pullback on a 5 minute, continue to the upside, but yeah, we'll see. If it get close to my stop loss here at break even, I might just exit with a little bit of profit, like I explained earlier, just to cover commission. But yeah, I'm still waiting. Still waiting. What about that 15 minute? 15 minutes still look good though. So maybe it's a booby trap candle here. Okay, that would be nice. That would be nice. Can we get it? Can we get it? Yeah, I'm gonna have to close this stream soon, guys. So let's wait for another 4 minute max. All right, so at 15, let's see. All right, we're back to 12. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. It would be nice to have like a horse racing collar on the trades. And he's going for 40 pips and 50 pips and going back up to 12. And that would be amazing. All right, now we're back up to 14 now. $15, 16.1. All right, looks good. We broke it. Are we breaking the hive? Yes, we broke the hive. That's 5 minutes, so that's looking pretty good now. Awesome. Can we get it? All right, we're back at it. We're back at it. 16.9, 17. All right, we're about to hit it, guys. We are about to hit it. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. I saw 18 pips now. Come on. Push it. I'm using the Alex tab on my screen. See if it works. All right, let's go. Small push. Come on, small push. Come on. All right, one more pip. We're at 19. 19, baby. Let's go. One more. One more. Tiny push. Let's go. Man, we're sitting there at 19 pips, baby. 18.6, 17.9. Come on. We're so close. We are so close. What time is it? 13. Man, I was sure with that push we were going to get it. Damn. Man, dude, it literally touched my... Look at this. It's literally on it. It didn't trigger on my screen, though. It didn't trigger on my MT4. God damn. I should have closed manually. It was like at 19.2. God damn it. Oh, well. Oh, well. All right. We need this candle to close the 5-minute close bullish engulfing. We got 1 minute to go. But the 15, the thing that sucks is that 15 is about to close. And now the new 15 minutes going to need to create a bottom wick first. Shit. Oh, well. Can we get it now on that last push? Before the close? Can we get it? 30 seconds? Oh, shit. We're about to get it. Okay, now we're getting it. Now we're getting it. 19.6. There we go, baby. 20.6 exactly got triggered. Let's fucking go. You're welcome. So, man, so now 85% of the trade is closed. I'm going to let it run a bit. Probably going to be closing like another 5%, like in like 5 or 6 pips, something like that. The thing is that new 15-minute just open up now. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. You know what? 500 is going to be my other target. 500. Just under 500 here. Amazing. You know what? I'm going to actually close another half here. So I'm just going to leave like 7-ish% running. Fuck it. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with those profits. So I'm going to let the rest run and see where we're going to be closing the rest. So close pretty much everything around like 22 pips. So yeah, that's good, man. That's good. Let's see here. So max 15-minute open trade. Not max. It just depends on how price react. But I would say like most of the time should be around like 15-minute-ish. Hang a magnet above your system sensei. Okay, then sir, hacker. Yeah, I mean this setup's been working pretty well for me. Like, I got one of my students only trading this every fucking morning on gold, and it's been working. I never really tried. I tried it back then, but I didn't stick with it on gold. But I know he's doing it still, and he's making money with this pretty much simple setup, right? So that's it, guys, man. I got to run. I'm actually late right now. So thank you so much for being here today. I appreciate every single one of you. We're going to be live once again. Please share this to your friend. And we're going to be more and more people on Thursday night for Forex Talk Over Beer. Thursday night, 6 p.m. Eastern. I'll see you there, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.